Good day, children. Today we are discussing about divisibility tests by 4 and 8. Already I have told you divisibility by 2, 3 and 9. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digits are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 9. The sum of digits is divisible by 9. Now, a number is said to be divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. That means what? Whatever the number is given to you, in that find out the last two digits, units place and tens place. If that number is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. I have given the examples here, 1560. I want to check whether 1560 is divisible by 4 or not. Then what I should do, last two digits are 0 and 6. So I have the value 60. I should check whether 60 is divisible by 4 or not. You may check randomly, 4 on the 4, 2 remainder 20, 4 5 the 20. So remainder becomes 0. 60 is divisible by 4. That's why 1560 is divisible by 4. Similarly, 816 is divisible by 4 because the last two digits, number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4. Then, what about 100? Last two digits, when you find 0, 0, remember now those numbers ending with now 2 zeros, definitely they are divisible by 4. Because you can divide from 4, you can say. Then, if I have 1000 is divisible by 4, definitely sure. 10,000, definitely sure. So, in that way, the number is said to be divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4. Let me take one more example. 5632. 4, 8, 32. So, it is divisible by 4. That's all. Let me cross check. When I cross check, 4 on the 4, 1 remaining, 4 4 the 16. Completed now. There is no digit. 3 is not divisible by 4. Put a 0. 4 8 32. So, divisible. You won't get remainder. That means the number is divisible by 4. I have another number 567. 67 when I check, it is not divisible by 4. Immediately I can come to the conclusion when you have the odd numbers, keep in your mind. When it is an odd number, it is not divisible by 2 itself. So be knowing a number is to be divisible by 4 in the sense, first of all, it should be divisible by 2. So, what is the advantage for you now? If the last digit is an odd number, you need not cross check. You can immediately say it is not divisible by 4. If the last digit is even number, then you cross check the two digits. Then the number formed by two digits, find out whether it is divisible by 4 or not. Then coming to divisibility test by 8. As I have told you, a number is said to be divisible by 4 if the digit or the number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4. At the same time, if it is to be divisible by 8, the number formed by last three digits must be divisible by 8. Let us take the examples now. I have 660. I have only 3-digit number. Then I should cross check only. There is no other way out now. While cross checking also, 2-3 numbers I will give here. 581, 660 and let us say 488. I want to check out of these three which is divisible by 8. As I had told you, the number formed by last 3 digits. But these numbers have 3 digits only. Then what to do? You have the methods. 8. You can get 8 by 2 into 2 into 2. First remember, a number is to be divisible by 8 means it should be divisible by 2. This is not divisible by 2. Ruled out. Why to worry? Why to check? Then a number is divisible by 8 in the sense it should be divisible by 4 also. So this is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. Now I have to check with these two only. Okay, keeping your mind now. Now when I go on dividing, 8 7 the 56 I will get 5 remaining. 8 7 the 56. So this is divisible by 8 also. When I come here, this is also divisible by 8 I say. So in the first instance, certain things you can rule out, take out. I am repeating once more. I have a number 1886. One more number 10034. 10138. Now when I cross check, first thing is 1086. 1086 may or may not be divisible by 8 because first thing is divisible by 2. Next thing I will check with 4. I can check with 4 also. No? When I check with 4, it is not divisible by 4. Then ruled out case. You did not go for 8. You did not go for 8. Here, divisible by 2, not divisible by 4, did not go for 8. Divisible by 2, not divisible by 4, did not go for 8. If it is like this, it is divisible by 2, divisible by 4. Now check whether the number formed by last digit is divisible by 8 or not. Then you come to conclusion. So in this class I have discussed divisibility tests by 4 and 8. Okay, thank you.